A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we have already started the topic cone, okay, so we will continue. But before starting the new questions, I just want to revise. So this we have studied before winter vacation, okay. So this is actually cone. Radius of cone is denoted by r, and you know in a cone there are two heights. One is this vertical height and one is slant height, okay. So h is denoted height of the cone. This vertical one is denoted by h and the slant one is denoted by l. And you know there is a formula for calculating l when you are given radius and height, which is square root of r square plus h square. Okay, so this you have to remember. And curved surface area means only the outer surface area is given by the formula pi r l, and its total surface area, which means the curved plus the area of base, is given by pi r into r plus l. Okay, and what is the area of base ring? Base ring means if the cone is hollow, then base will become a ring. So its formula will be pi r square minus r square. Okay, you know that this way it just comes. Okay, where r is the external radius and small r is the internal radius. And if you want to calculate the area of base, and you know area of base is nothing but a circle. And what is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. And using all these formulae, we have already done 4 sums. Okay, you can see, and the video you can just go through once again. And now we'll start from question number 5. So as you can see, we have already started question number 5. So question number 5 says that you are given a conical tent, okay, and its height is given to you 8 meter and its radius is given 6 meter, okay, and you have to calculate the area of tarpaulin cloth, which is 3 meter wide, okay, and this tarpaulin cloth is used to make the conical tent of the given dimension. Now you have to assume that the extra length of the material, जब आप टेंट बनाओगे तो कुछ स्टिचिंग में मार्जिन्स में वेस्ट होगा, so that is approximately 20 centimeter. So first of all you will calculate CSA of tent, okay, because जब टेंट बनाएंगे तो उसका बेस tarpaulin cloth से नहीं बनेगा, only pi r l, okay, so this is the CSA. Now width is given to you 3 meter. Suppose length, since the tarpaulin cloth is in the form of a rectangle, let the length be x, and you know how much cloth is wasted? 20, okay, 20 centimeter. Now it is given in centimeter, this is given in meters. So the amount of cloth, okay, which is wasted, it is x minus 20 upon 100 meter. So area of tarpaulin will be length into breadth. So this is the length and this is the width. Okay, so this is actually this 20 upon 100. This is wasted. So how much is used? X minus 20 upon 100. Okay, so this will become length. And area of rectangle is L into B. So you will use this formula. Now this area of tarpaulin should be equal to the pi RL, the surface area of tent. So equate and get the value of x. So solving this, you have got that the value of x is 63 meters. So this is the required length of the tarpaulin cloth. So I hope all of you have understood this question. Now we'll see 6th question, which is very simple, that the slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb. Okay, tomb it is given, slant height आपकी 25 meter है, diameter is given 14 meter, so its radius will be 7 meter. Now you have to find out the cost of whitewashing it. If the curved surface area per 100 meter square, the cost is 210. Okay. Now आपको पता है जब कॉनिकल टूम को वाइट वॉश करोगे तो आपको उसको सिर्फ CSA को वाइट वॉश करना है. So you will calculate CSA, which is coming 550 meter square by putting the values. Okay. Then what is the cost of whitewashing 100 meter square? 100 meter square को white wash करने का cost 210 है. So the total cost will be 210 upon 100 into 550, which is rupees 1155. Okay. So this is the total cost. So this way we have done question number 5 and 6. Question number 7 is very simple, which you have to do by your own. And now we'll do the last question of the exercise, which is question number 8. Now focus on 8th question. In 8th question it is given कि आपका एक बस स्टॉप है. It is barricaded from the remaining part of the road, जिसमें आपके रेड कलर के जो आप कोन्स देखते हो 50 हॉलो कोन्स रखे हुए हैं. ओके, उनका डायामीटर जो है दैट इज 40 सेंटीमीटर. रेडियस विल बिकम 20 सेंटीमीटर विच इज 0.2 मीटर. और उसकी हाइट जो है इट इज गिवन 1 मीटर. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ इन कोन्स को अगर सपोज पेंट करना है बाहर से, that means you have to find out slant height pi rl, so you need to calculate L. So L will become 1.02 meters. Okay, and then you will calculate pi rl. Now I am not multiplying, you can multiply also. Now how many total cones are there? 50. तो 50 cones का CSA कितना हो जाएगा? इस CSA को 50 से multiply कर दो. Now it is given that cost of painting per meter square is ₹12. तो total cost कितनी आ जाएगी? This complete equation you will multiply by 12. So the answer is ₹384.3. Okay, this is the approximate. Since इसमें decimal बहुत ज़्यादा है, so you can just write it up to 3 decimal places. I've written it up to only 1 decimal place, 384.3 rupees. So this much is the cost. So I hope all of you have understood. Okay, all the questions of cone. Now you can just go through. I've already posted the images, sphere and hemisphere. So you can draw, you can just see I have drawn a rough diagram of sphere and this is a hemisphere. Now you know sphere जो एक आपकी बॉल होती है, कॉस्को की बॉल और फुटबॉल और बास्केटबॉल. So if you want to calculate its surface area, it has only one surface area जो कि total surface area होगा. It don't have two different areas. Surface और curved surface area and total surface area are not different in case of sphere. So what is the formula for calculating surface area? 4 pi r square. Okay, where r is the radius. And if you're talking about hemisphere, then it is having different areas. एक आपका आ जाएगा curved surface area. Now suppose you are considering a bowl, okay, at home. तो वो अंदर से और ऊपर से पूरी ओपन होती है. It is having only the curved surface area. So it is given by half of 4 pi r square, which is 2 pi r square. Okay. Now second में if you want to calculate total surface area, you can just imagine अगर एक स्पंज की बॉल है और एक रबर की बॉल है, सॉलिड बॉल, इफ यू कट इट, ओके, मिडल में, इट इज हैविंग द कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस जो टॉप होता है इट इज अ सर्कल. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, it will give you 3 pi r square. So this is the total surface area of a hemisphere where r is the radius. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood these formulae. So direct use of these formulae is used in question number 1 to question number 3 of exercise 13.4. So this is your homework. You have to complete till question number 3 of exercise 13.4. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.